What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be unboxing the Black Cat 3s that just came out. I think it was released like last weekend. Bought them, they shipped them. Now we about to open them and you can see that it has the elephant print box. So super excited. I think I have a few elephant print boxes, but I don't have many 3s, which is really odd. I only have like one pair of 3s and they're not even all that, you know what I'm saying? Like, you know, when you buy shoes at one point of your life, you're like, oh, these the coldest shoes, or these so nice. I don't even wear them no more. They a little mid, I'm not gonna lie. So I don't have an all black pair of shoes. The closest pair of black shoes that I got would be something like this, which has like a pop of color in. Not an all black pair though. So hoping to get my hands on a pair of Black Cat 4s, but if you know shoes, then you know, okay? But let's just get into this unboxing. Starting with the box, it has the big red Jumpman on the box. I did get a 7Y in these, just because that's my size, you know? Bottom of the box, nothing too crazy on the box. Kind of like a standard like 3/4 box. But let's take a look inside. All right, y'all ready to take a look at all? Y'all ready? Okay, y'all ready. I ain't gonna play with y'all. Ooh-wee. So straight from the box, that's what they looking like. Oh man. Ooh-wee. Y'all gotta let me know what you guys think of these. Is y'all copping? Did y'all cop? Do you plan to cop? Man. Oh, I need an all black pair of shoes too. This is insane. Yeah, that's crazy. Let me know what you guys think of them down below. Let's pull out the other one. Of course, it had to come with the Jumpman stickers. Let me know, do you guys do anything with these stickers? Like, I obviously have a lot of these stickers, but I've never done anything with them. What do you guys do with these stickers? Let me know. But both pairs together. Oh yeah, I gotta put a fit together with these. These would go with my fit today, but we ain't talking about that. Whoa. Let me know what you guys think down below. Are you guys rocking these? Or are you guys dropping these? Got the nice little suede on top. Little patent leather on the side. That's patent leather, right? Little patent leather on the side. Ooh-wee. All right, y'all. Y'all know we got to do the sniff test. Yeah, y'all got to let me know if you guys copping or dropping. Let me know what you guys think down below in that comment section. Let me know if you guys like these unboxing videos. As you guys can tell, again, I love my shoes. So I don't mind buying, you know, a pair here and there because, you know, a girl's still broke. But wouldn't mind unboxing them for you guys. But you guys got to let me know if you guys like this, what you guys want to see from these unboxings. Should I start doing them on feet? Should I start walking in them? Should I, whatever. Let me know what you guys think that I should do if I keep doing these unboxing videos. Let me know what other shoe that I should cop next. Is there another drop that's going to be heat? And leave it down in the comment section below. As always, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, join the family. As always, stay positive, and you know, I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. This shit that you just put out, you could've kept.